Hello and welcome to tutorial number 2 for the programming language Turing. And last time we learned about the put statement, and so then you could display things on the screen. So now we're going to be learning about the get statement so we can get user input. But first we need to learn about variables. Basically what a variable is, it's a value. It's something that you can store a value into. It's like kind of like a figurehead. So instead of put 10, if you made a variable x and you equaled it to 10 and you said put x, it would put 10 to the screen. So let me show you the example. See it run right now, it says hello world and it says 10. So it just stores the value in that variable. So in math class when you learn about variables and stuff and you thought it was useless, well, this is where it comes in handy. So basically we're gonna make a variable, and there's different types of variables. So basically when we're creating a variable, first we have var, and var, as you might have guessed, means variable. So it means we're creating a variable. So we can name this variable whatever you want, but we can't start it with like a dash or whatever, and it can have an underscore, but it can't have a number in there. It has to have a letter or an underscore. It can't have a backslash, right? So in this case, let's just name it x, and now you have to put a colon and then the type of variable. So the type determines what you can put in the variable. So if I put int, that stands for integer. So if you don't remember what an integer means, it means like any whole number, like -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 100, 1,000. Basically, that's what an integer is. So I can't put text in here, so I can't put x is equal to hello there, because that's a string, and you'll learn about strings later on, but it's not. You'll get an error because you're supposed to store a number value in there. And if you were to put like 1.5, you would get an error because it's supposed to be a whole number. So if you want to put a decimal, then you put real. And then a real number is any number like 1.1, 1.2, 1.06510, 1.0, anything, any number. So in this case, we'll put real. And then we're gonna put hello user, enter your favorite number. So then we told the user to enter their favorite number, and that's a good programming practice to always put a prompt, because if you don't put a prompt, the user doesn't know what to type in. So now we're going to use the get statement. So just type get. So think of it as getting information from the user. So putting something to the screen and getting information from the user. You put get x. So you're getting the value for x. And then you just put your favorite number is. And then another thing you should know is if you want to put more than one thing in a put statement, just put comma and the variable name, or comma and something else. But in this case, we're going to put comma and the variable name, and we're going to click F1 to run it. Enter your favorite number. Let's put 10. Your favorite number is 10. Now, isn't that neat? So you just learned how to create a variable, and you learned how to put the variable on the screen and how to get user input. And this will be very important later on in programming. So hope you liked it, and bye.